My name is Jacob Dean. I'm a junior process engineer for Bridgestone Tire, and I live in Smyrna, Tennessee. The way I found out about the internship opportunity was with me taking classes through Motlow State Community College here at the Educational Center was the main way that I found out about the internship.
Our experience with Motlow has been great. We've provided Motlow with a classroom here at our Education Center since 2011, and we have fully partnered with them on providing internships for people since 2014. We work in 2 of our facilities here in Tennessee to train people in mechatronics, and then they work part-time with us while they're going to school, and we pay for their tuition. And then after they complete the program, if it's completed successfully, they become eligible for a position. And that's what's happened recently with Jacob Dean coming to work for us this past May.
I think the thing that interested me in the mechatronics program was just the complexity of it and getting to learn different aspects within engineering. So instead of focusing directly on one subject, you get to focus on computer, engineering, mechanical, and electrical.
So we hired out of the mechatronics program because it's a good match with what we're looking for in our process engineering jobs, in our engineering department, as well as our industrial maintenance technicians, particularly in industrial maintenance. But we're finding that more and more we cannot find engineers with the right skills because there's been about a 20-year gap between when people really focused on skilled trades versus going to college, and people went to college instead of focusing on skilled trades. So now we can't find enough people for those jobs.
As I retire, I think the experience working with Jacob in this position is great for the company. They get a person who can step right into the job, hit the ground running, and the company doesn't miss a lick, doesn't miss that person being on the job. And personally, to work with Jacob side by side, getting some feedback from the younger generation, and we've actually become pretty good friends over the last couple of years. He's actually become my little fishing buddy. So, but I think as a company, mainly, it's like I said, they get a person, they've seen his work ethic for the last 2 years. They know he can do the job, and everybody wins. It's a win-win for everybody.
We really had a unique opportunity here with knowing that our teammates were going to be retiring, and knowing they were telling us that they were going to retire in advance. It gave us an opportunity to work students part-time side by side with people who have 25, 30 years of knowledge in these technical skills. This is not something you learn even in school. You can get the basics, you can get the basic skill sets, but coming and working side by side with an engineer who's been doing it for over 25 years is invaluable.
It was an honor for them to take me back to school and allow me to finish my education, and just the time and the effort and also the money they provided for my undergrad really helped and really set this place at a higher standard than most companies around.
Other companies are recruiting just as hard as Bridgestone, and we want to make sure that these students stay here in Rutherford County where they grew up, where they went to school, and they can be home based here with us.